Go ahead and walk that direction and show them in the video how deep it is. And then walk back and show them the lights coming this way. You know what I'm saying? Fucking I ruined the damn shirt. How many feet did you say it is?
About 40.
Okay, are there any other ways of water to escape in here?
Nope.
So there's no percolation at all. So you're saying this thing's like 100% evaporation?
Well, pretty much.
Isn't that funny? So there you go, right? All the contaminants wind up in here, don't they?
Yeah, there's some seals, some seams.
Yeah, seams